Welcome! 10 questions. 15 seconds to answer each. Let's begin. If all books are tooks, and some folks are books, are some folks definitely tooks? What comes next in the sequence? 1, 4, 9, 16. If a rooster laid an egg on a triangular roof, which way would the egg roll? Which letter is 2 letters before the letter that comes 2 letters after the letter E? What is the missing number? 2, 5, 12, 27. If you rearrange the letters brainy, you'll get the name of A. If a plane crashes on the border of the United States and Canada, where do they bury the survivors? Mary's father has 5 daughters, Nana, Nene, Nini, Nono. What is the 5th daughter's name? What number should replace the question mark? 3, 4, 7, 11, 18? If you were running a race and you passed the person in second place, what place would you be in now?